Sorry.
Bill.
It's okay.
What's your number, Ryan?
My number's 3969. One of those numbers is funny.
It's true.
What's yours, Sam? 4872.
4598.
What's yours,
1066.
1816.
1816.
Yeah.
What's yours, Billy? Nice.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get Pepsi one sec.
Okay.
Right, I've got it written on a scrap of like parchment paper.
Oh, incoming. Okay, hang on. If I do. Hello.
Hello.
Does it work, Billy?
I presume it's like a walk-in.
It probably needs to be further away.
Further needs to be further away. Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, yo, we have the same phone skin.
I got Pac-Man.
Yeah.
I got Pac-Man.
Hardcore one.
Hardcore.
What's my
Because
skin
we're
name?
hardcore.
About the default one. We are hardcore.
Hardcore. Look how quick that loaded up. All right, boys. Oh, I need to put my I need to put my notepad up on the other screen. There we go, so I can have people's numbers.
Which one's this?
Vow.
Vow.
Oh, it's Vow.
Billy, you're breathing so heavily. You okay?
Oh, quick that.
Oh, everyone's having to listen to that right now. It's great. Whoa. Watch out, bridge.
Hello?
Oh, wow, it does work. Okay. Okay. Looks like the phones work.
It's a shame we can't be Vocaloids or Sonic.
Yeah.
Using them.
Controller?
Alt.
Start controlling? What?
The heck's this? Gambler?
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Oh, what the?
Oh! Oh!
What does it say? Activate, start, what is it?
It's wrong.
Oh! Where the fuck did he go? Oh, fuck! What did this? Oh, no! What does this do? Oh, hang on. Get a call. Hello?
Did that work?
Wait, what?
What happened? It sent back the ship.
It sent you back.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, you vanished for me.
Yeah. I just saw it explode and thought you died.
I thought you died. All right. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah.
It's just a random roll, I guess.
All right. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. I will probably contact people.
Okay. Right. So. We found a dice, and Sam rolled it, and it blew up and sent him back to the ship. Hang on, I'm getting a call. Hello?
Hello?
I'm right next to you.
It doesn't work when we're near each other.
Yeah, I know.
Every time someone rings me, I hang up.
What's that? Wait, why's that clipboards in here? Sorry, wrong button. What's that clip? Oh, wait, what does it say? Oh, it's got everyone's number on it. What's that? Dance note. Dance note? Oh, no, it's like the death note, but makes them dance and then don't put my name in. Oh, no, don't.
Let me fund this in real quick. 3, 6, Hello? Hello?
I called at the same time I hit your ringtone through the phone.
Ryan, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can hear him.
Connor might be dead. Connor's dead? Oh no.
Oh! Bracket!
Are you still alive?
Yeah, how are you? I found that. Hello?
he's
Connor, oh yeah, Connor is indeed dead. You're carrying him.
Yeah, I found the dance note, and I used it on Connor, and he hit the griddy and then exploded. I didn't know it'd kill him. I thought I'd just make him dance, but he fucking. This is unfortunate.
They got a froggy chair.
I don't know what this is.
Seems a bit dangerous, doesn't it?
Well,
Oh, I guess we'll go right.
don't write my name in, please.
Oh no, my UI. Last Friday night. Ooh, 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 ah, ee, ooh, ooh, ee, ooh, ooh.
Okay, that's how that works.
How did you also kill Ryan?
Yeah, what happened
I
to
was
you?
standing behind you. I got caught in the
It
blast.
just kills everyone.
I said to Billy, please don't put my name in it, and he just point blank put my name in it. Right.
Sorry about that.
That's
I
alright.
didn't mean
It
to.
was funny. It's, you know, it's good content. It's good content.
I misclicked probably.
It was
would've been
funny as fuck.
If I killed one of the evil two, because I would have been very confused on what's going on.
So loud.
Someone just comes out of the
Oh,
dark.
froggy chair.
Oh, by the way, if you don't know
Large
people's
impossible.
numbers, there is random clipboards through the map that has everyone's numbers written down.
Yeah.
I've literally written them down on a
I
piece
also
of
have.
parchment.
Oh, no,
Quill.
yeah.
What about the-
Quill, yes.
I brought them down in my procurement study book, what I'm using for my course.
I can't see anything.
Bring Ryan in case he's lost.
Oh, mine.
I might get lost.
Oh,
That's a bit close.
that was very close. There's something else in here.
It's one of the ones that activates the ego and it's oh.
Okay. Oh god, what's that? Helm of Domination? Oh, it's the Lich King's helm.
That's Lich King Helm, yeah.
Oh god. Yes? He hung up on me.
Of course he did, yeah. I found a stun grenade.
Let's go. Oh, there's nothing,
52
there's nothing.
Well, it's a mad noise.
Yo, check it out.
Yeah, roll the Lich King to the
Yeah.
last Sunday morning. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Ooh,
No.
yeah.
Is there nothing else this way? What are you wearing?
Why shut that down?
What am I wearing? I don't know.
You look like a cat. Well, now we gotta go and find something. Hello? Oh, the core! I'll take that.
Son of a bitch. You fucking hung up on it. I knew who that was. It's fucking Bill.
I knew who that was.
Of course, it's always going to be Bill just randomly ringing our phones and. Shouldn't have given him the
Yeah,
number.
I think the company should take away his phone.
Yeah, they're in the void.
Did you?
Alright. Alright, who's going back in? Me.
Last Friday night.
We'll have another
Just
quick
kind of-
look.
We went one way and then they went the other way. Boom.
Oh, fuck out of here. Busy!
It's like fucking Jurassic Park 3.
Yeah.
Fucking Nokia ringtone.
What?
Did he hang up again?
He said something, it was all staticky, and he said something, and then he just hung up.
Giving this to Bill was a mistake.
Oh god, what the fuck? The baby. Oh. Wait,
Yeah,
wait. Wait. The baby blew up the mine. Oh! Oh! No, thank you. I'm gonna give Ryan a call. I didn't jot down what people's number. Oh, I know what Ryan's one is.
It's 3969.
Yeah, hang on. Let me. How do I bring it up? Oh, it's there. 3, 9, 6, 9. Ryan?
What?
There's a lot of static.
There is a lot of static.
Is it because you're on the ship?
I don't know. It looks like you're 1,000 miles away.
Well, Billy said something from the ship to me and then hung up on me.
Really amazing work so far, team. Thank you for playing.
Poggies in chat.
We're doing so well.
So loud.
Someone's in the cupboard.
Yeah, it's like someone's hiding in the cupboard. We couldn't carry on. I'm turning Billy down. Oh yeah,
Sorry?
I need to turn you down because you're eating a Kit Kat so loud.
I'm not eating anything. What the fuck?
Right, I'm gonna call Billy because he's a fucking twat.
I'm gonna call Ryan. 3, 9, 6. You walking into a wall.
God damn it.
I think the signal's fine when you're off the ship.
Alright, I'm sorry.
It's fine, but are you okay over there? How you doing?
I'm a big fan of Sea Nanas.
Sea Nanas?
That's what I'm talking about.
I've heard of him.
There's a turret in there, Billy.
I'm not Billy.
Oh, I got a gift for you.
Yay. Fucking hell.
It was on it. For some reason, the game really loves the hammer domination.
Yeah.
I'm slow.
Oh! Oh! What the fuck? What's it standing on? Who are you calling?
Fuck it! Immediately hung up on me.
Oh!
God damn it, Bill.
Fuck. You have a key?
No.
Okay, we'll have to try this door then. Dead end.
Oh, brilliant. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I need to use a med kit. Hang on, oh, I'm using it. Is it working?
I had that.
How do you use this med kit?
You've got green.
I do.
Symbols.
Oh, there we go. I'm healed now. Yay. Oh, wasn't this a dead end? Why are we going back this way?
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's an ocarina.
Yo, it's the gritty.
It's the gritty. You can actually play it this time.
Oh, there's a dead end. Whoa. What's up?
Oh god, what the fuck? Oh no! Alright, hang on, I gotta call someone. 4598, okay. It took me back to the ship!
What song did you play?
I played Zelda's Lullaby and it took me back to the ship!
Oh, well.
Oh,
Last Friday night.
I don't know what happened. What does this one do? Oh no!
I went back to you and just.
Oh god!
I don't remember what.
It was a Pona's song and it called a horse.
1816.
I need that ocarina
I
back.
believe you.
Yeah, they got a fight
Why
pad.
did you drop your flashlight?
Oh god, that's so funny.
Yeah, you dropped your flashlight and then.
They're gonna.
Oops.
What if my phone's at the thing?
They're calling you. I think they're calling you.
Yeah, they tried to. What's Billy doing?
Wait, does it just infinitely ring if someone's dead? You've dropped your dice.
What? How?
Oh no, he's got the random die.
No.
Is it when you ring someone, maybe? Maybe.
Oh, if I pick it, yeah, okay, yeah.
Maybe.
I've got a radar boost. I don't want this. This is what I picked up off Sam. Did he not get teleported to the ship? Oh god, I've got insanity mode.
What's the fucking dog doing? What's the dog doing?
He's just chilling.
He's just having fun. It is making horse noises. I hope they get my ocarina.
Yeah.
Where did I die? Oh, there. They got it. They got it. They got it. They got it.
Options for songs to play. Or...
Yeah, you can choose through them.
How did I hear like one go
Oh,
wow
I got the ocarina.
and a horse noise?
Oh,
I got the ocarina though. Select audio. Sun song. Sorry, a song.
what the fuck is that weird spinning cube they've got?
I was expecting to get teleported.
You're wasting all the songs.
I'm wasting the songs.
You're wasting the songs. Yeah, I did that and it teleported me home. God knows what the other ones do. Epona was one, someone's a horse slash dog.
The thing is, it teleported you with your gear though, which is pretty.
It's lit.
Yeah. Why is this Uno why is this Uno card so weird? Look, what the fuck?
You
Oh.
way bossa nova.
Did I win? I got teleported away
Oh,
from
that's
the
what
launching
it did.
wheel.
I used the Uno card and switched us all places.
Oh, it's actually raining.
What?
It works.
Oh,
No matter,
shit.
it works.
That's cool.
No.
Wait, oh
No,
god.
you-
That'd be
I got
crazy.
put on a song.
No, do not do Epona's song.
This guy.
We've got enough money for the car.
Nice. We need to organize it. What's this fucking map? Oh, scroll of town portal.
Oh, jeez.
Oh. That's not good.
Yeah,
I
it's
might
storming
strike
out
the
there.
car while I'm driving it.
I think we're play the song of
Try
storms
playing
again.
The sun song. I've tried playing the sun song, which is the way.
Yeah, play the song of Nice Day.
That's not attached.
Just get in. Ah!
Everyone in. Oh, nice and cozy in here, boys.
Why are we setting up like this?
I stared at him so I could do a
Why
clip.
is Toon Link scary? Like, update?
He's T-posing.
Guys, I don't want to alarm you. The latest Cyberpunk patch has been delayed.
Denade?
I'm
Grenade Sandstorm.
I'm crashing out.
I'll just have my own royalty-free Nintendo music over this.
I'm not. It's all right. Billy's not driving.
What did that do? Oh, it set off his phone.
Nothing.
Remote. Let's go.
I got a chicken.
Chicken. Oh.
It's a duck plush actually.
Oh.
Sorry.
Hi. Now they have to deal with us, our area.
Yeah.
What is Bill laughing?
Sarcastic laughter.
What's that? Oh,
Mendeco Bocce.
Bocce.
That's a mimic. That's got to be a mimic.
Bocce the Rock. Did you guys like?
Teleported me, Connor.
I didn't do that.
You did. You teleported me and Billy.
Where?
I've just heard two identical Bill laughs, by the way.
What's the teleport? Who teleported?
It was me. It's this. It's this fucking card. It switches everyone's position.
There's 100% a mask because I heard Billy laughing twice in the exact same way, like.
Oh, really? Well, I'm gonna go and look. What's that? Is that Ryan? Ryan?
Ryan.
That's not. Ah! Stop it! You scared me.
Wait,
I'm getting a call. Hang on. Hello? Hey, girl.
All right, let's go have a look. This card is quite dangerous, actually, because if they're safe on the ship and I'm in trouble, I can just switch them out for me.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, no! I'm fine.
Made it.
Happening over there.
There's a puddle here. Be careful.
Well,
There's a
I have
puddle of
a
mud. She
contact in
fucking
another
hates me.
She fucking hates me.
I hate that song.
I do as well. 2 fire exits in my... Wait, haven't we been here?
Oh, I'm getting a call. Hang on.
I got the gambler dice.
I'm lost.
Is there anything over there?
What did you say? Sorry.
I'm lost.
Sam's dead. He just died in front of me.
Oh no! Oh, I dropped the dice by accident. It said flat. It said flashbang inbound.
Like this.
Huh? Oh. Fucking hell. You know what? Fuck you.
Ryan. Shut up.
That's dangerous, that. What fuck? Oh, look, a stun grenade.
Get me home, Ryan. I'm scared.
I don't even know the direction of home, but I'll try. I think it's left.
You ever read of the TV show Stargate Galactic Mans?
Why are you asking? Why are you asking this through the hole of the car? Oh, there's a giant.
Be careful.
No, not the Pac-Man incident. Oh! Oh shit! It's coming. Why is this music so fucking hyped?
Hello? No answer. Oh, sorry, I missed the call.
Where are we? Are we dead? Oh.
I need to call the police. Hang on.
Hello?
How's it going? What is happening?
Billy's just stuck in. Oh fuck! Oh. He's calling. No one's left. Oh god.
The dog really hates this car.
What do I do? It's like scenario. Life has put me in.
Oh, this
What
is
do I
too
do?
fucking funny.
Maybe Connor's number works. 1, 1, 6.
Oh fuck. You can hear it going off.
I'm gonna. Hello?
Wait,
Hello?
is the
Wait, that's
mimic?
the mimic.
Is the mimic calling you?
What the fuck?
What?
What the fuck?
Hello?
The mimic's on the phone.
Hello?
That is insane.
Hello? Hello? What? Connor? What the hell's 285 up? Is this a mimic? Oh no, mimics can ring me. I like that.
That's actually really cool.
He should be fine. I think the dog's left. Or is dead.
Yeah, you should try and leave.
The only problem is there's a giant.
And puddle.
And he's in quicksand.
Grenade.
Yeah, Billy, that was a mimic calling you.
What the fuck? Oh, that's nice of you.
It's kind of nice.
Vodka pasta and strip steak.
What? You're just gonna hang up on them again?
Hey,
It was yours with the Nokia.
How's it going over there?
Hey, girl.
Good?
You're always on. You're always on your phone at the dinner table. Sorry.
Has this got snake on it? Oh,
No. Pac-Man arcade machine.
Snake.
Why is it so big? That scared the shit out of me.
Jesus Christ.
I can't.
Kingdom Fight.
I can't see anything.
That's not what the type game's called.
Yeah, it's face 748 or whatever.
Oh yeah. Give me a drag, bro.
Okay, here you go.
Heck yeah.
They're doing drugs. They're doing drugs.
Doing scuba. What one's that?
That's off to order.
Or on
He did nothing.
It didn't do anything. Maybe it puts the enemies to sleep.
What was the one to go home? Was it Song of Time?
No, it's Zelda's Lullaby.
Okay, I haven't played Zelda. I better finish just singing it quick.
Thanks for something. It's just stopped working. It's just stopped working.
Maybe you only get one use.
Well, no, because I summoned the dog as well as doing the lullaby thing. Wait, pass it here, Ryan.
Huh?
Hang on.
Wait, you stole it from me.
Oh, for fuck! Oh! Where is it? New Wave Bossa Nova. I got it. Hello?
Hello?
I made it home. And that
Nice.
one that I did sent me inside. Wait, does it only? Why is it not working for you?
Host advantage.
Ah! Help! I'm up here! Ah! New Wave Bossa Nova. Holy shit! I don't think I summoned that!
So I just went through the windscreen.
Wait, this one does something. Elegy of Emptiness?
No, that's someone's been drowned.
What? Wait!
Chicken. That does summon Bendra.
Oh great, now it's just a mimic here.
Poggy's in chat.
The Mammoth.
Poggy's in chat.
The magnet's on.
At least we know the phones work. It's actually really funny just hearing someone's Nokia ringtone go off.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just it, yeah.
Run him over.
Oh, he's coming. Run him
Oh,
over.
man, he's
no.
dead.
Shit. I'm stuck.
Why are you asking that through the hole in the car? I didn't know that would happen, alright?
I remember that.
What? Oh!
Yeah, that does summon Bendra.
Yeah, me neither, bro.
Get in the car.
Oh, he grabbed you out of the car.
Get away from
Oh,
me.
it's just Bill. It's down to Bill.
Oh no, it's Ryan dead.
Okay, well, you vanished for me.
I did, yeah. You're right.
There might be someone in the ship.
Billy, go, go, go!
Oh, you got it.
Is it the door? Is it the door?
Use the thingy.
Use the thingy.
Use the thingy. Look, I didn't know it was the Ben drowned one, alright?
God.
Me afterward.